America is facing a mental health crisis, unlike anything we have seen before. Are you aware that over 60 million Americans are grappling with a mental health issue right now? And more than 1.1 billion people across the globe. These numbers are staggering. And it means that you, or someone you love dearly, could be part of this silent epidemic. And when we say mental health, we're not talking about something strange or unusual. We're talking about the everyday struggles that millions face. Anxiety, depression, PTSD, ADHD, brain fog, mood swings, trauma, stress, hormone imbalance, low testosterone, and even insomnia. So many people are suffering in silence, searching for answers, for real healing. That seems just out of reach. Even our heroes in the sports world, NFL, NBA, MLB, boxers, wrestlers, and even actors. Most of them are crying out for help or is suffering in silence. Think about it. Years of blows to the head can leave a lasting, negative impact on neurological health, sometimes going undetected for years until it's too late. This can lead to serious conditions like chronic traumatic encephalopathy, where families watch their loved ones change right before their eyes, feeling completely powerless. Neurological decline has touched so many families, leaving them heartbroken and desperate. But what if I told you that a profound breakthrough is here? A therapy that is about to take the world by storm. Developed by a global clinical director in bioenergetic medicine, this isn't just another temporary fix. It is a therapy designed to restore balance and function to the CEO of your brain, the neocortex. This groundbreaking therapy was pioneered by Dr. Chi, who has spent years across the globe researching on the science of neurological behavior and the intricate design of the human brain. She has developed a therapy that combines nature's blueprint with cutting-edge science, specifically aimed at restoring neurological health and well-being. So, what is the neocortex? Dr. Chi explains that it is the outermost layer of the brain's cerebral cortex, the very seat of your intelligence. It governs everything from your emotions, memory, and decision-making to your focus, learning, and even your sleep patterns. The neocortex works closely with another part of the brain called the hippocampus, especially during sleep, to consolidate your memories. This connection is crucial, but when it is disturbed, it can be a major factor in conditions like Alzheimer's, dementia, and other forms of cognitive decline. Dr. Chi teaches that when this vital communication channel is damaged, everything about your mental world can change. But here's the incredible part. When this area is stimulated through the neurobiostimulating therapy, a remarkable restoration can occur. Clarity, focus, and cognitive brilliance can return. This isn't just a theory. It's already changing lives. Imagine having a real, coherent conversation again with a loved one diagnosed with Alzheimer's or dementia. Picture their anxiety, depression, or PTSD simply dissolving into a state of peace. We've seen it happen. Like the 75-year-old woman in California who was suffering from disorientation, confusion, and loss of memory. After just one session, she returned to normal mental function. Or the 54-year-old man whose depression became so severe, his family feared for their safety. He found peace and balance and became whole again. And the 61-year-old woman in Las Vegas who had lost all hope of living, but after a few short therapy sessions rediscovered her will to live again. The list of transformations goes on and on. You or your loved ones don't have to suffer in silence anymore. You could experience a profound cognitive change and find the peace you've been searching for. This revolutionary therapy is already making waves in California, Las Vegas, and New York, and it's coming to a city near you. Are you ready to see your cognitive health come alive, to witness a true transformation? Visit www.healthfortheglobe.org to make an appointment. Listen to Dr. Chi on HFTG Global Digital Radio to learn more on how incorporating the neurobiostimulating therapy can reinvent your brain's function. A new chapter of clarity and well-being is just one click away. Neurological health is vital to our total body's health and well-being. Do not suffer any longer. Take control of your mental well-being and live a life filled with joy. Experience the wonders of the neuro-biostimulating therapy now. This is for everyone with mental health decline or stress-related issues, men or women. Also, please share with someone you know who might be suffering in silence and need a mental recharge. Our world can be more productive, economically better, and more lived when our cognitive health is restored and thriving. Subscribe for more life-changing information. Visit us at www.healthfortheglobe.org.